Alright, it's September the 6th, Tuesday, 2022. This is what I got going on today. I'm gonna make a portable suitcase radio. You pick these suitcases up at a thrift store for about nothing. So I'm gonna use the red one so I can put it in Christine. And pick this up. It's a portable radio system. And so the first thing I'm gonna do is take the screws out, tear it apart, and see how much it'll take to take all these pieces and put them in here. Okay, let's get started. Okay, once you get the back off, there's nothing to this. Now I just got to get the speakers out, but there's nothing to it. Okay, got it tore apart and got where I want to cut it so I can use the speaker cover, and the tweeter's made in there, so if I cut it all out, I might set it flat onto the suitcase. Now that it's got a rough cut out, I'm gonna make me a poster board template to get everything situated. Okay, the template for that part is done. Now I got to make a template for this part. Now that the template's made, and figure out the layout, how I want to put it on here. But then I gotta take some of this here out, but might leave that for sounding. But I know I'm gonna have to take the top out so I could cut out all the holes. Alright, got it all cut out. Now let's start putting it together and then see what it sounds like. Okay, everything is hooked back up. Put some heat shrink on there. But with everything hooked up, now I'm going to close it up and show you the outside and show you what it sounds like. Okay, that's what it looks like. Now let's see what it sounds like. And you can Bluetooth it to your phone, so you can put it in the back seat and have your phone and use the phone to control the volume. But right now I just got the auxiliary cable hooked up.